Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Sephora Play unboxing, bagging, for December 2018. And if you guys want to see what's in this month's play box, then keep on watching. I need to have real talk for a minute because it's after Christmas and I'm just now getting around to editing and filming and basically doing all the things that I do for my beauty subscriptions. And you're gonna just have to accept it because this whole month has just been chaotic, and I promise 2019 is going to be a lot better with routines and establishing posting schedules so you guys can be more up to date. So please be sure to subscribe if you like my channel, my content, and me. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this month's play bag. Go ahead and jump inside this month's play bag, and it says on the back side here, open here for warm fuzzy feels and a little something extra. So I'm wondering if Sephora is throwing in a special bonus product for the month. So the first thing inside our play bag is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I know it's been quite a struggle this year, it seems, with the line Briogeo. I don't want to discredit them because I do really like their products, but it seems like between this and the Rosarco Milk leave-in conditioner, those are the only two products I've received from Briogeo, and it gets frustrating after a while. Turning over a new leaf with a new year, and also because I have a ton of breakage in my hair, and hopefully this will help repair some of that split ends, the breakage, and just how processed my hair is. It smells like Skittles, so I can't really be too mad about a product that smells delicious, and I did like this particular product that I used. Next in our play bag here, we have a Rouge Gel Lip Liner from the Sephora collection. This is in the shade color Nothing But Nude. This is a twist turn, which is very exciting because I am somebody who doesn't love pencil liners, but mainly that's just because I don't carry a pencil sharpener with me. I have one that's in my bag, but it's super old and it doesn't even have like the catch compartment anymore. So probably a loose sharpener hanging out in my makeup bag probably isn't the best idea. I haven't cut myself yet, so that's a good sign. I will swatch back here very lightly because I don't want to test this out because, again, I don't use nude lipsticks. But it could be a very pretty overall color if you wanted to fill in your lip before putting on a nude lipstick. It doesn't seem to have any sheen, sparkle, or shimmer in there. So just a very basic Nothing But Nude. So that's exciting. It's a long-lasting retractable lip liner with a gel cream texture to enhance the lip color. And it's really cool that it is available in 40 different shades, so any color you could really imagine would be included in this collection. So we have here the Sephora Rouge Cream Lipstick, and this is in the shade color The Red. And I'm pretty sure I've tested the lip stain formula of this. This was the one I referenced a couple months ago in the very first ever Sephora play unboxing I ever did review on. I would do a live swatch for you guys today, but I do have some product on my lip and I don't really want to mess around too terribly much with the red just because I have tested this color. It's a very true red, hence why it's called The Red. This is as true a red as you're going to get, and who knows, maybe you can pair it up with that lip liner so that way you're not going to be too all over the place with a color, and with that it just kind of puts everything all in place. And again, this is a really pretty red. This is really pretty for the holiday season. That's since come and gone, but if you want to be a person that wears red lips in 2019, then this would be the perfect product for you. This is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy in the shade color Dream. I had picked up the sugar lip product in I think it was my Sephora VIB holiday sale. I redeemed some of my Beauty Insider points and I picked that up, and I actually really loved the formula. In fact, it's kind of become my go-to chapstick in my purse. So to test out more of an advanced therapy, this is going to be something that I guess is going to significantly boost moisture for 24 hours, advance volume, and improve the definition of the lip area while leaving it a dreamy sheer pink tint. What the color is here. And I will go ahead and put a little bit back here. It's really light, so it's going to give more of that basic sheer color, which is nice. Again, my lips have been super chapped in the worst possible way. So I think there couldn't have been a better time to receive this exact product, because if it's supposed to boost moisture and it's supposed to help with a plethora of different things, this could become a very good everyday product to wear. Next in our Sephora play, we have something here from Wander Beauty, and this is the Glowtion Lotion Illuminatrix. I think that was probably the French pronunciation, but this, it looks like to be a highlighter. This is a skincare rich hydrating lotion that delivers a beautiful sheer champagne gold finish. Oh god, way too much, way too much. We're gonna go ahead and swatch it right back here. And doesn't really have a smell, but this is just a really pretty color to wear underneath your skin for that really dewy shine, if you're looking to glow from within, if you will. I remember last year we got something kind of similar to this from Peter Thomas Roth, which was the 24 karat gold, and I was really sporadic when I used it because I did not like wearing it under a full face of makeup, because I don't like the appearance of being super dewy, because I think that makes me look sheeny and oily, and it just makes me feel like my face is being caked on. I've never heard of Wander Beauty. Wait a minute, that's a lie. I'm pretty sure Wander Beauty is, oh, what's that model's name? She was a Victoria's Secret model. What was her name? Can't remember, but I think this is her company that she created, and Wander makes me think of Wanderlust, maybe a little something to look into to the company itself. It feels like it could be blended really nicely, or it could be heavy-handed, so up to you to decide if you want to blend or if you just want to give them a little razzle dazzle. Last thing inside our Sephora play this month is from Too Faced, and this is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfect Primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. I remember when the peach palette first came out for Too Faced, I wanted it, I needed to have everything with it, and then when they made the whole peach collection, I really kind of fell off the bandwagon. I have the peach palette, love it, use it pretty often, but I have not tested any other of their products from the collection. A little bit. Ooh. Oh. So I did put a little bit on the back of my hand here. It's kind of cool to see that it is the actual peach shade, and it blends out really easily. And I can't... Okay, it kind of smells a little peachy, and that maybe it's that sweet fig cream that's in there too, but I will say that my skin feels pretty silky after putting on that primer. I could see how there would be that cooling effect in there, and also too that, you know, it really seemed to just dry down quickly, which is kind of important if I'm working quickly in the morning on trying to get my foundation and getting my makeup ready to go. I like something that's quick drying. That was everything that was in my Sephora play this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new play boxes. Normally I would be a little complacent about testing out 3 lip products within a sample subscription, but I think for what Sephora sent me, including a perfect red lipstick, a product that's going to prep and prime your lips, as well as a liner to make sure it's all going to stay in place, I'm really not mad about that part specifically. And the fact too that, you know, I've been trying to find more budget-friendly additions to my collection, so I'm not spending an arm and a leg when I do want to buy. And knowing that Sephora collection is actually a great reputable brand that I can rely on. I really like the fact too that they sent, you know, some things that will, you know, just basically prime and prep your skin for all the things that are coming up, whether you're, you know, going Christmas, holidays, festive, New Year's Eve, whatever you're doing. I think overall, maybe not the highest grade I would give, and only time will tell when it comes to the products inside, but I think on a first impression, I'm gonna give this month's box a B. I feel like I'm going to regret saying that right now, but I will be sure to do a full vlog review of all the products received inside, and you can go find that over at the website at sarahlock.com. 2H's2Ks, and I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. This was the last beauty subscription video that I made for 2018, conveniently 5 days before the year is supposed to end. I'm not a procrastinator. I promise in 2019 I'm gonna get better about actually doing things when I say I'm gonna do them, and not just pushing them off to the next day, and the next day, and the next day. I don't see you guys before the new year. I hope you all had a great, happy holiday season. I hope you spent it with family and friends that you love and care about. And I hope that, you know, you guys are smart, safe, and just overall have a great new year. If I don't see you, I'm gonna try to blast out a ton of content, and by the time that this video will get up, it might be a little bit late. Maybe you're already seeing some of those things come out beforehand. Keep being subscribed to my channel if you like my content. Go follow me on all my social media accounts, so that way you can keep track of me just a little bit better. And also to check out the website, because I am posting content that I don't really publish a ton of, like on my Instagram or on my Pinterest or things like that. So just go check out everything. You guys had a great holiday season and hope to continue to have a great holiday season. And yeah, so take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.